Easy steps to design a cozy living room. Designing a cozy living room starts with the feeling you want to create. Do you want a space that feels warm and inviting? Calm and restful? Homestyler gives you the tools to build the atmosphere you envision with precision and style. Start by selecting the room layout that best fits your space. Use the drag and drop interface to place sofas, armchairs, and other key furniture elements. Choose plush, comfortable seating options, and arrange them in a conversational setup, like a U-shape or around a fireplace. Next, focus on your color palette. Warm tones like beige, terracotta, and soft gray can create a cozy mood. Homestyler allows you to test wall colors instantly, and you can preview how the colors look under different lighting conditions. Layer your room with textures. Add area rugs, curtains, and throw pillows. Use Homestyler's decor items to experiment with details like table lamps, bookshelves, and framed artwork. Lighting is critical for coziness. Add soft lighting options like floor lamps, sconces, or string lights. Homestyler lets you simulate the effect of natural and artificial light on your layout, helping you fine-tune the ambiance. As you finalize your cozy living room, remember you can always preview your design in 3D and adjust from every angle. To try this yourself, the link to Homestyler is in the video description. You'll unlock all these tools and more to design with ease. Creating a cozy space is not just about design, it's about feeling. Use the features in Homestyler to bring that feeling to life.